So we're going to show you how to brush your dog's teeth. It's really important. This is Theo who's going to demonstrate for us today. It's actually quite quick and easy thing to do to brush your dog's teeth. And we suggest from an early age just getting them used to touching around their face. When they're a puppy, always touch around their face, rub along their gums on the outside, and then possibly just start to lift up their lip and rub along the teeth. That way they'll get used to touching their face, and then when you introduce a brush, they hopefully won't be too scared. They get their adult teeth between 4 to 6 months of age, so that's when you want to introduce home care to try and keep their teeth nice and clean. Our aim of brushing their teeth is to remove plaque so that we don't get tartar, and then that way we hopefully will try to prevent gingivitis. If you get a lot of gingivitis, which is redness in the gums, unfortunately you then end up getting periodontal disease. And periodontal disease is a disease which we can't stop, and it can lead to your dog losing his teeth and having systemic diseases through infections getting in through the gums. So it's quite quick and easy to actually brush their teeth. They've got 42 teeth. They've got their big canines like ourselves, which is the big fang tooth. They've got their incisors, and they've got their molars on their side. So when we're brushing a dog's teeth, we need a toothbrush. You can use various different sizes of toothbrushes. Something like this, which is dual-ended, is really handy. It's got a small side, which you can use for small dogs or from the front teeth. And then the bigger side is for bigger dogs like Theo here and for getting in at the back teeth. Really handy because it's long, so it's a bit longer than a human toothbrush, which means it makes it much easier to get in at those back teeth. You need pet toothpaste. It comes in a variety of forms. They become flavoured, which makes life a lot easier. Really important not to use human toothpaste because it foams and it's full of fluoride, and we don't want them to do that because we can't get dogs to spit out the toothpaste. So basically what we want to do is get a little bit of our toothpaste. We're going to get it onto our brush, and you can see Theo already knows this is flavoured, so he's looking towards it hoping to get some of it. So we're going to get our toothbrush and our toothpaste. Hi Theo. We're going to pop this on here, and then the easiest thing to do is just hopefully get your dog nice and supported. You might need someone else to hold on to you, but if they're used to you touching around the head and stroking them, they won't mind. What you want to do is start with one side. We're only brushing the outside of the teeth. We don't have to worry about the inside because they're licking, they'll move the toothpaste around. So we're just going to lift up the gum. We're going to start at the back tooth, and then we're going to work our way forward. There's two teeth where dogs tend to get quite a lot of tartar on them, and we can see with Theo, he does have a little bit. This big back tooth here, which we call the carnassial tooth, and this canine here, they tend to get quite a bit of tartar, so we want to concentrate on those teeth. So just like ourselves, you're just moving gently across the tooth, lifting up the gum, and then we're just going to start in here at the back, and then we're just going nice gentle rubbing motion, moving our way forward. You can see he's going to lick because it has a flavour. It's going to move the toothpaste around, and we're going to go on the bottom, and we're just basically going to move our way forward. So it's pretty simple, lifting up the gum, going on our tooth. So it doesn't take very long, but you're trying to do it every day. And then again, we're going to move to the front. For this, I'm probably going to switch and use the front end because the big end I think is just a little too big. So a little bit more toothpaste. And then just getting his head nice and steady, lifting up the gums, and then just rubbing across the teeth. You can see it's flavoured, so they do tend to lick it a little bit. Don't worry about that. They generally will like the taste coming across the tooth and rubbing your way around. So essentially what you're looking for is to do both sides, to do the outside, lifting up the gums, rubbing along the tooth and moving forward. When you're doing that, you're looking for any evidence of any disease, so you're looking to see if there's any tartar or any redness. And if there's redness, we do suggest that you consult your vet to get that checked to see if they need any treatment for it. And then afterwards, importantly, give them a little cuddle, tell them he's done a good job.